Is there lipstick on my teeth? Nah, I don't think so. Hey everyone, it's my 6th attempt at this video. Yay! Alright, so welcome back to my channel. Okay. So as the name already suggests, I'm going to talk about the 90s today. I've created 2 looks which are 90s inspired because I'm a 90s girl. Yeah, I was born in the 90s, and back in the 90s I was a kid, so my mom would dress me up, and I didn't have to, and I couldn't, and if I did, my mom would have hit me. So yeah, but I'm very glad that 90s trends are back in town, and we can do it all over again. My mom won't have to know. She doesn't live with me. I'm sorry, I miss my mom. Alright, okay, so yeah. So I'm going to talk about the 90s. I love everything 90s, and I cannot talk about 90s and not talk about this new store in town, which is theskatingduck.com. Now, if you haven't heard of them, I'm not quite sure what you're doing with your internet. Seriously, not sure. Okay, so skatingduck.com is your one destination for all the 90s grunge that you might be thirsty for. Looking at all your favorite celebrities dressing up 90s. So they have everything from choker necklaces to platform shoes to holographic bags to plushes to... I don't think plushes are a 90s thing, but dude, more is always good. Anyways, so I ordered 5 things from them. This hair itches me. So I ordered 5 things from them, and I'm going to show you what they are and talk about them a little of why I ordered them. I think that's my job. And I created 2 looks with them, which I will talk about later. Alright, so the first thing I got is this huge holographic bag. See how huge it is? It is bigger than like 3 of my faces. Anyways, I like big bags. I like big bags, and I cannot lie. But yeah, like, come on. I mean, I'm the kind of girl who actually when I go out, I'm like, I may need this, I may need that too, I might need that too, and I may also need my helicopter. So, you know, I like big bags. They can have a lot of my junk. It already is filled. I've been using it quite a lot. And the next thing I got, I just disappeared, didn't I? Okay. So the next thing I got is this Unicorn Tears bag. Now, I know you've been seeing this one everywhere and you couldn't get it like I did, because most of the times it was very expensive. So you should also know that this website is fucking affordable. I don't know how to read the thing I just said in the video. Okay, but look how cute this is. I mean, it has this one little pocket that you might need for like a party or something, and I might need it with a bigger bag because I'm not a very small bag girl, you know, I only have a few slings, but this one goes in that limited collection because it's so cute. And the other 2 things that I got are choker necklaces. Now, you can't do 90s without choker necklaces, and choker necklaces have been out there, you know, quite a lot now. But come on, we should like get over all these tattoo choker necklaces now because they have been so mainstream and everybody's wearing them. So let's talk about some other kind of choker necklaces which are quite beautiful. Now, I got this one, this with a heart. Now, don't you see how beautiful this is? It's so cute. It's so... I should get over the word cute, but like increase my vocab. Please, can you like comment down some new words for me? Anyways, so look how pretty this is. They also have it in black now. Oh my god, why did you do this to me? Why did you... Okay, I'll buy that. And I also got this another choker necklace. I've been obsessed with alien emoji lately. If you've seen my phone cover, it is full of alien emojis. So I got myself a choker necklaces with one. It is so cute. It's so fucking cute. Like, God, how am I going to beep those things? I don't even know how that works. Alright, so and the last thing I got, I think you already saw the tip. So I got this emoji plush. It is the poop emoji, and I call him Mr. Chi-Chi. He's my buddy, and we are kind of dating. Don't judge me. But yeah, look how... whatever the word you might fill in there, he is. and they've got like a lot of other emoji plushes that you might be interested in, so do check them out. Now I'm going to talk about the 2 looks that I created using the same thing. He might not be there, you might miss him, so take a good look. Alright, so the first look I created is with me wearing a tight camisole top. I think 90s were full of tight camisoles and crop tops. So they have to be well fitted. You can't just go wear a loose crop top and say that it's 90s. Might just go on to a more boho look. So yeah, well fitted tops with a pair of loose denims or boyfriend jeans, if you might say. Mine is actually stolen from my brother. I don't have a boyfriend. Yeah, so I stole that jeans from my brother, ripped it and did shit to it, so you know, I call it my pair of boyfriend jeans now. And a tight camisole top like I already said, then a pastel colored cap on top, my Adidas, and from the skatingduck.com I have my holographic bag and my choker necklaces, so go take a look. It's not going to come here, but after. I'm still working on it. Bye. Alright, so I hope you like that one. Now the second look I created is much more on the goth side. I did not use a lot of goth makeup on because I don't have any. Oh, but yeah, you should also know that these guys sell goth makeup like black lipsticks and other things, which are really cool. So yeah, you can check them out for that as well. Anyways, so this one is an all black outfit with like a black high neck, you know, a turtleneck crop top and a black skater skirt. Now skater skirt and mini skirts are also a very big 90s thing, so if you want 90s, I've said 90s so many times you can actually count it and make like a wall decor or something. And I'm also wearing my platform shoes, which I revamped with patches that I sell. I'm going to talk about that later. So yeah, it's a full black outfit with my alien emoji tattoo necklace, yeah, and my unicorn tears bag. So I hope you like this one as well. Not okay. Bye. That's it for today. I hope you liked my mistakes in the video and the main purpose of the video, that is the 90s lookbook. And don't forget to check out skatingduck.com. Please let me know in the comments below what you thought of today's video, if you thought I should do more of such lookbook videos or not. Just be honest. And I'm going to come up with another DIY video which you guys love next. So let me know. Please do subscribe if you still haven't. I don't say it much, but it means a lot. It just means that I'm doing something nice and people want to follow it. So if you like the video, please do subscribe and like the video, comment whatever you like. Feedback really matters. Just don't be harsh. Don't call me a malnourished girl. That's mean. Okay, so I'm gonna end this one and be back very soon. So bye bye.